Hey guys, it's Luron here again. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I want to talk about Tesla. Now, Tesla's reporting earnings next week, I believe. Let's check the date here. Reporting on the 19th of April, which is Wednesday of next week. Now, this stock is in a technical setup. It's a nice wedge pattern with a big head and shoulder. One small shoulder, one large shoulder, and a nice big head. In the formation. Now, this one is expected to move higher. This stock has been beaten down, as you can see here. We've peaked back in November of 2021. Since then, the stock has declined significantly. That's 75%. Now, this stock is, heavily profitable. There's no question. Let's check Finviz to see what some of the metrics are looking like. So this stock is profitable, as you can see. We're $4 per share. We have rising sales, rising EPS growth. So that's great. You want to see a company rising both in the EPS and the sales or revenue categories. This stock is both in the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500. One of the leading auto manufacturer when it comes to EV in the world. So there's no question about the fundamentals for this company. This company is solid. It's intact fundamentally. So let's jump right back to look at the fundamentals. Like I said, it's declined 75%, made a huge run. Let's put some volume on here so you can see how the volume is doing. Look, if we scale back here, we can see we have relatively low volume, and then once this stock fell all the way down, in early January of this year, look at the volume increase compared to the previous volume over the past years. The volume has been solid here as this stock recovers. So that's something you want to keep your eye on, the amount of volume. And the volume usually tells you that investors are they can't wait to grab this stock up at these levels. So once the stock get into a head and shoulder formation, great volume, great fundamental, you can expect this stock to move higher once it reports earnings. Miss or beat, it will move higher. There's lots of discussion out right now about the market. We're heading in a recession, but the stock market is usually 6 to 9 months ahead. It discounts everything, so the market considers everything, the CPI, you name it, the recession risk, all those risk factors that you can think about is already built in to the stock market. And this stock, I expect this stock to move higher. So if you look, I'm looking to take a trade on this one. I'm looking at the 210 level and also the 220 level. Now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this stock reports after market closes on Wednesday. So Wednesday, before the market closes, you want to initiate your position. Now, hopefully we don't get a runaway. A runaway meaning start Monday or Tuesday, the stock just take off and just start run up. Now, if it runs up, then that's a sign that it will be bullish leading into earnings. But if it stalls, you just get some dojis right inside this wedge formation here, that's even more potent of a move because you can see a huge gap up and then the stock moves well after earnings. So the contracts that we're looking at is April 21st, and again we're looking at 210 and 220. Now if it runs up here and get outside of this line before earnings reporting, then my target will move. My target will get all the way up to 235 if it runs before earnings. So, but I'm not getting in before earnings. No, don't play that game because I trade weekly options, and theta will destroy you if you try to get in 2 to 3 days before the earnings, unless you're trying to get out before earnings reports. If you anticipate a run up into earnings and then right before earnings you sell. Otherwise, if it doesn't move much after earnings, theta will destroy any profit potential that you'll have there. So that's it in a nutshell. A very short video, guys. Tesla, great company, one of the best in the business, great fundamentally, solid technical setup that is primed for an inflection play to the upside. I'm not buying protection puts for this one because I think there's a high level of confidence that this one may move higher. Let's look at market beat to see what are some of the inflows on Tesla. We want to see what's the plan. So analyst rating, the analysts are predicting that this one will get to about 222 to 430. If you look at the earnings, They have confirmed the earnings April 19th. So let's see, April 19th. Yep, that's Wednesday. Let's see what else they got. Institutional ownership. Let's see what institutional. Look at this, guys. Back in Q3 of last year, we had 118 billion inflow into this stock. That's among the money investors have pumped into this stock, and they only sold 262 million, not billion, million. So it's ridiculous, the level of money that's being pumped into Tesla right now. This is a good indicator to show you whether the money is going out or in on any given stock. And you can read more about the stock, the short interest, and other things like that. So again, pretty solid play, technically well set up, and I think this one will move higher. So I'll wrap this one up, guys. Remember, if you're new to the channel, remember to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's grow this channel. Thank you, guys. We'll talk later.